improve, and being alone with my thoughts is one of them. I'm in my 40s and I've dealt with anxiety, intrusive thoughts, etc. for a long time. Like a lot of people, I think I've slid downhill a bit more disorganized, undisciplined as I've gotten older. By the way, that's step one. I was that kid who really read all my AP history books chapters twice in high school, even though no one told me to. I don't have kids that would light a fire. No, they won't. No, it won't. A lot of people saying having a kid who's going to light a fire inside of you, and that's bullshit. 100% that's bull. It doesn't. It does for maybe for like a half a second. It's a quick fire. It says, holy shit, somebody else is depending on me. But you're going to go right back into the same old lazy ass habits you've been doing. Because the thing is, you're relying on external things to influence you to actually do good. And that's not something you should bank on. You should bank on your discipline. You should bank on your routine. You should bank on what it is that you want to accomplish in your life. I hope, but I don't know how good a role model I could reconfigure myself into. Social media hasn't helped. I'm addicted to Reddit and YouTube to drown stuff out. I've gotten very addicted to Bose headphones over the last 6 years or so to drown stuff out. Like I said, this is the type of person that I love to help. This is the type of person that I love talking to because I have been there. I understand that. And I know that you are probably feeling trapped, stuck. You're probably ashamed of yourself. You probably just feel like, God damn, is this it? Is this it? And the truth be told, it's not it. But you have to acknowledge it and you have to embrace it and you have to accept that, yeah, this happened. And you have to forgive yourself. And then we got to get rolling. We got to get moving. We got to get the ball and roll. Let's stabilize ourselves. Let's clean our home. Let's clean our car. Let's go for a walk, right? These are very simple things. Let's start getting in shape. You're in your 40s. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's get after it. Get in the gym. Get after it. Pump some iron. Get a 6-pack. Stop eating everything you want to eat. Limit the calories to 2,000 or 2,100 a day. Count them. Use ChatGPT. Get in there. Use AI. Leverage that stuff to your advantage. You can do this. Let's secure work, man. Let's get a job that we like. Let's get a job that we know. Let's get organized. Let's control our money. Let's start getting money and putting it into therapy because that's what we need. You're too in your thoughts because you're just thinking. When you're going through things, you don't put on the headphones to drown them out. You take the headphones off and you exhale and you get to work. That's how that works. That's how it is. Take the headphones off, put them down, and confront whatever the fuck it is that you're going through. That's it. And you're going to do that. We got to get a brotherhood. We got to get around people that are in line with your morals, your values, and where you want to go. You said you're addicted to Reddit, and this goes back to what I said earlier. Too much of research, too much of planning, too much of all this. You're going to spend 6 years planning, 6 years of putting on our headphones, 6 years of that for what? To get nothing done? We have to become a man of action, a man with structure. That's why I made the 7 steps. Stabilize, secure work, forge a brotherhood, build skills, strengthen your mind, and create a vision. Those are the 7 steps that if you follow that, you're going to start feeling better in your own life.